Because tonight, Practicalers and Kaabante, we will talk about self-love. Kumbaga, I just played with the title because I want it to be catchy. AKA, sabi nga ng kapatid ko, I want it to be kochi. No? So I want it to be catchy. And I don't want it to sound so serious and cliche kasi marami nang nagse-self-love. But it's a good thing nga na marami na nagse-self-love. So, we will talk about self-love and what can self-love do to us. So, kung nasa bahay po kayo at wala kayong kasama at parang malamig ang inyong gabi, pero sa totoo nga lang po, ang init po sa labas, yakapin niyo po ang mga sarili niyo. No? Parang ako, inayakap ko ang aking sarili because I love myself. And I am proud to say that I love myself. No? Dahil ang daming benefits na makukuha dyan. Pero magkwentuhan po tayo, Practicalers. Sabi ko nga po sa inyo itong Practical Power, I just don't want it to be a regular radio program or a program that you see on SOCMED. No? I want it to be like something that you can go to like as a friend, if you want someone to talk to, gusto ko parang ganun yung ating program. Kaya kukwentuhan ko po kayo.